Hello everyone, this is Dave from Dave the YouTube channel, and in this particular video I will be showing you guys how to find downloader codes for APKs on your Google TV, especially the ONN TV Box. So this is going to be an interesting video and I'll highly recommend you watch right up to the end. If you find it helpful, do us a favor, like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So without wasting time, let's get in. So I'm using my ONN TV Box, and as you can see on my screen here, it works on the Google TV operating system. And if you have any Google TV device, this should work perfectly on it. You can have the ONN TV Box, the Google TV sticks, and other Google TV devices, any one of them. As long as it runs on Google TV, it's going to work with this video, even though I'm doing this on my ONN TV Box. So the very first thing is, since we are going to be dealing with APKs on our Google TV, while literally sideloading applications, we need to make sure that our Google TV allows us to install applications from third-party sources. So what you've got to do on your Google TV is go out to your settings, and in your settings you're going to browse down to system. In system, please click on the about option over here. Now in the about option, you're going to browse down a little bit to where you have the Android TV OS build. Now on this option over here, you're going to click on it 7 times until there's a pop-up below that says no need, you're already a developer. Once that pops up, then the developer mode on your Google TV has been turned on, and that allows you to install applications from third-party options. You can verify it by seeing it over here. So you can come down to this developer option, and the settings that we're really interested in is just the first settings. So make sure that this is turned on. Once this is turned on, then you'll be able to install applications from third-party sources. So that's it. Let's move on. Now, the tool I'm going to be showing you guys in this video that helps me to search for APKs or downloader codes for APKs, we're going to use the downloader application to access that tool. So let me quickly show you how to install downloader on your Google TV. I hope this doesn't waste time. What you have to do, just go over to this Google Play Store on your Google TV. Since the Google Play Store is embedded or inbuilt to your Google TV, just go over to the Add App section and search for downloader application. So it's simple. Here's the download application. Just search for it, and it's going to bring you this particular application over here. Quickly install it to your Google TV. It doesn't really take a lot of time. Your internet speed is good. This should take just a couple of seconds. So just give me a minute. Let this install. Okay, it's downloaded. Now once it's done downloading, it's going to quickly install to our Google TV. And that's done, we're going to launch it. So it's very easy to install downloader. Okay, downloader is installed. So here's it. Go ahead and open it on our Google TV. And since we're going to be dealing with a downloader code in this case, we're going to come over to this third option, this hashtag over here. So downloader is very simple to use. I doubt if you don't know how to use downloader, but go over to this hashtag over here and then type in this particular code that I'm going to share with you guys. So the code is 574 please, not 577, 574124. So this is the code to the website that is we are going to use to search for downloader codes for APK. So the website is called automatic.co.uk, and I love this website a lot. I use it a couple of times on both my devices, and it helps me to search for downloader codes. Now let me just quickly explain how the website works. Once you go over here, it says over here the downloader codes in a flash. Here's it over here. So it shows that there are more than 159,000 codes on this website. So how does this work? The instructions is clearly simple over here. It says here that type the APK name and press enter for a list of working downloader codes. So that's what you have to do on this website. Now the only down part of this website is that you need to know the application you are searching for. So if you do not know the application you are searching for, you might find difficulties getting the APK of that application. So I'm going to use a sample app, for instance. So let's take, for instance, I want to install the Kodi application. So what I'll do, I'll go over here and type in Kodi. I'm using this because it is easy to spell. So I'm just going to type in Kodi, for instance, and it is going to provide me with a result page. And on the result page, you're going to see that this is there is one active downloader code found for Kodi. Now there is something you might want to do. There is a filter over here where you can filter applications according to the date it was recently checked. So for instance, if I want to filter a code that is older than 180 days, what I'll do is that I click on this option. So this option provides me more categories of codes that are older or within 180 days. So as you can see, these are many Kodi options, and you can decide to see all the Kodi options are available on this website. So I'll go over to this option, I click on show all over here, and it's going to show me all the Kodi codes that are available on this website. But of course, not all these codes are going to work because some of them are outdated, but some of them are actually recent. Like you can always check the date over here when it was lastly checked. So you can choose your code that you want to install from this tool. So you can choose any one that you want. So I'm going to go back to the option of within 60 days. So there's only one code that has been updated within 60 days. So here's it over here. Now before I go ahead to show you how to install the app, let me just show you something quickly down here. So if you browse down here, for instance, you are going to see something, these popular searches. This just shows you the most searches that people are searching on this website, and also it shows you the recent searches that people are searching on this website. So you need to know the application that you want. You go over here, type in what you want, and hopefully you're going to get a code. So once you get a code, what do you have to do? You just have to click on the code. Simple and easy. Click on the code and it redirects you to the download page of that APK. So for instance, here's the download page of this code APK. It's going to redirect and start downloading straight away to our Google TV. Now, once the application is done downloading, it's going to pop up with the option to install the application to your Google TV. So that's why you need to turn on this setting. So the very first setting is that for your security, your TV currently isn't allowed to install no apps from this source. You can change this in settings. So you need to go over to your settings and make sure that download that is allowed as a source to install application. So turn that on, and then now you'll be able to install the code application. So just quickly click on install, and then it will be installed to your Google TV. So here's the application. It's now installed to my Google TV, and I can choose to open it, but I always love to delete the files from my Google TV before I open the application. So that's how this website works. And before I show you the application that I have installed, I want to show you another trick or tip you should use on this website. So for instance, if you do not know the name of the application you are searching for, what you can always do is that you can type in the category of that application. So let's say for instance, I'm looking for a media player, and I don't know exactly what media player I want. I can just go over here and type in the keyword player, and then it's going to show me any app that has player in its name that's available on this website. So you can do this for app stores, streaming apps, and so on. And I hope you're going to get results. For instance, when you say search player, you are going to see things like C player, extreme player, and so on. And this is just for codes within 60 days. So if I go over to this option that says show all codes, I'm going to get more codes. So you see that above 9,000 codes that are centered around player. So you can see Igbo player. You can go over to the next page over here, and even though this method is cumbersome, but it's going to provide you a lot of categories or options of downloader codes. So for instance, I can go over to the next page over here and just keep on. Now there is something about ads on this website that I don't like, so just close this. And if you come down to the next page, you're going to see 4K player and so on. So you can keep browsing till you see the name of the player you're looking for. But this is just a hard sample. So this is just a tip you can use to search for apps, especially when you don't know the name of the application that you're looking for. So let's go back to our home. And if I return home, we're going to see the code application that I just installed right now from that site. So that's how the site works. And you can use the site on your Google TV to search for downloader codes for APKs. So if you found the video helpful, please know what to do. Like, subscribe, and share so that you help us to create more videos like this. See you in the next video.